Class 6 NCERT Chapter 16 Question 6. Do you think it is better to use compost instead of chemical fertilizers? Why? The answer is yes. It is better to use compost instead of chemical fertilizers for the following reasons. The first, it is easy to prepare compost. Second, compost is environment friendly as it does not cause any health issue in humans and animals. The third, compost will not cause pollution. The fourth, compost increase soil fertility. And fifth, compost is biodegradable. That's it.